Hello beautiful people. You've no doubt seen plenty of stories on social media touting apple cider vinegar (ACV) as a belly fat melting elixir that can help you lose weight. But does it actually work? Many holistic health experts swear by the stuff. But whether ACV will really help you squeeze into a smaller pair of jeans isn't quite so straightforward. Here's what experts and the research actually says about apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Let's get one thing clear up front. There's only a small amount of evidence directly tying ACV to weight loss in humans. One study in the Journal of Functional Foods, which followed 39 adults, found that participants who consumed a tablespoon of ACV at lunch and dinner, while cutting 250 calories per day, lost 8.8 pounds in 12 weeks. Also, check my #1 recommendation to lose weight very fast, in the first link in the video description. On the other hand, those who cut the same number of calories but didn't consume ACV lost only 5 pounds. In another study, 144 obese adults were randomly assigned to drink either a placebo or 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar daily for 12 weeks. At the end of the study, those who drank 2 tablespoons had lost close to 4 pounds, while those who drank 1 tablespoon lost 2.5 pounds. Those who drank the placebo actually gained a little bit of weight. However, those findings alone don't prove that ACV is a magic fat melter. These studies were done on very small populations, says dietitian Erin Polinsky-Wade. But the consistent results indicate that ACV may be a beneficial tool in reducing body weight. What's more clear? ACV seems to have properties that could potentially support your weight loss efforts. For instance, a 2013 study from the Journal of Functional Foods suggests that drinking apple cider vinegar before eating is linked to smaller blood sugar spikes. Another 2010 study shows that having 2 teaspoons of ACV during mealtime could help reduce sugar crashes and keep blood sugar levels stabilized. Why this happens isn't totally clear, but nutrition researchers like Carol Johnston, PhD, who has studied ACV at Arizona State University for years, suspects that compounds in the vinegar interfere with the absorption of some starches. That matters because blood sugar highs and lows tend to lead to cravings for sugary snacks. So if apple cider vinegar can help control blood sugar, this could help manage cravings and portion control, potentially leading to fewer calories consumed, explains registered dietitian Amy Goodson. What's more, a 2014 study from the Journal of Food Science suggests that vinegars, such as apple cider vinegar, can help reduce the effects of diabetes and prevent cardiovascular disease due to its antioxidant activity. Apple cider vinegar has high levels of a polyphenol called chlorogenic acid, which could help improve heart health by inhibiting the oxidation of bad LDL cholesterol. So, should you try drinking apple cider vinegar for weight loss? Drinking ACV alone isn't going to help you reach your goal weight. But there's a small chance it could support the efforts that we know work for weight loss, like eating a healthy diet and exercising more. And it won't likely hurt you, say Goodson and Polinsky-Wade, as long as you don't overdo it. Like all vinegars, ACV's high acidity can irritate your throat and strip tooth enamel, Johnston says. Stick with a tablespoon no more than twice daily, and always dilute it in 8 ounces of water, recommends Polinsky-Wade. ACV should never be consumed straight, she warns. How to add apple cider vinegar to your diet for weight loss. Don't forget to check my #1 recommendation to lose weight very fast, in the first link in the video description. Wondering about the best time to take apple cider vinegar? You can drink a tablespoon of ACV diluted in 8 ounces of water up to twice a day, ideally, before or with a meal. That'll increase the chances that the ACV will boost your satiety and help keep your blood sugar steady. If you can't stomach the idea of drinking vinegar, think about working it into your meals instead. Try drizzling ACV and olive oil over a salad or steamed veggies, Polinsky-Wade suggests. Or add a tablespoon of ACV to a smoothie. As for the best apple cider to drink? You want to choose an ACV that's labeled raw and unfiltered. Unfiltered versions contain proteins, enzymes, and healthy bacteria from the vinegar starter or mother. Polinsky-Wade says. Try Bragg Organic Unfiltered Apple Cider Vinegar or Spectrum Organic Unfiltered Apple Cider Vinegar, links in description. Thanks for watching today's video. Did you learn anything new today? If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.